Death is a different story to different cultures. How we humans deal with it defines our lives as well. In Mumbai, a minority of Parsi used to give their dead to the vultures as a last gesture of generosity. They did it in the belief that to bury or burn them was a sacrilege to the elements, a pollution, while granting their remains to the animals fit their concept of purity and sustainability. High up on towers would they rest the bodies and have the birds take them away, leaving the bones to be bleached by the sun. Times have passed and the city has changed. Where once the towers stood amidst the forest, urban population is closing up, surrounding in streets and high-rises. The vulture population has been declining over the last 20 years by over 99%. Diclofenac, an inflammatory drug used on humans and cattle, destroys the kidney of any vulture digesting it. As of today, the Parsi are facing not only the extinction of the birds they deem holy, but also their own. According to an orthodox view, a Parsi can only be born from 2 Parsi parents. But as part of a modern India, the new generation branches off, leaving the footsteps of their ancestors behind.
Your financial support will help us realize this 40-minute film project.
By obtaining film permits, renting out equipment, covering travel expenses,
as well as working with a local crew when we get to India.
So head over to Indiegogo to find out more.
And spread the word. Thank you.